Peeps, you know, I'm on Facebook here, but this one I come for talk, and tonight I come for talk. I came across an article in the Stars Online page that says artists are funding criminal activities. You understand me I say? And some people, after them watch the video, or if them finish watching the video, I go say some things, and some people might give it a thumbs down. I mean, we're not an issue with that. You understand me I say? But before me even adjust anything, you know, so I go on my channel just now, you know, in the local section where I say suggested video. I saw one video entitled Top Investigator Says Cartel and Alkaline is buying guns for criminal. What a wicked vlogger, man. On the stage of Virgin, at no point in time in the article did the police officer Ellen Powell made that statement. He would have suggested and hinted at things, but he did not make that statement. That when you start mislead people for likes and subscriptions and comments, you understand me? Because sometimes I see some headlines, you know, and I hardly watch certain people on YouTube still, in all fairness. But sometimes I watch something, I say, I can't see him topic that with me just review. Oh, this a story sounds so different than looks like. I could stop it now, man. You understand me? I said, when I read the article now, people, and I said you can go and read it for yourself if you don't believe me, I will share the entire article in a couple of minutes. When I read the article, there were certain things in the article that I found to be spot on, as was said by the chief investigator, but there were a few things that I kind of have an issue with. Case in point, the man basically a blame Vybz Kartel for so many of society's ills and problems. You understand what I say? I mean, I really think that is a fair statement, or those statements were fair. But I'm going to share the article with you peeps, and then we're going to discuss a few things. You understand what I say? The fact of the matter is, whether we want to admit it or not, many artists in Jamaica are spending their money to aid criminals and criminality. You understand what I say? And if we are going to be honest and fair about the thing, we must admit and accept that, and it is wrong. You understand? No matter if a few artists or if a few artists, if the artists them are armed factions in communities because they are loyal to them, or they want to achieve a particular agenda, or want to build this stupid thing we call street cred, it's wrong. You understand what I say, peeps? And at them thing help, as the man said, the police officer correctly said, help to drive the crime rate in many communities. You understand what I say? But some people are going to say, yo, I fight artists and a bad mind thing, and because the youth do this and do that. You know if you go to. You understand? Because someone who talk about artists, who never buy an album, who not support the artists, them, who not go on a stage show, all you do is go on YouTube, go download the song them. But who not support artists. We need to be honest, and we need to be truthful, and we need to be fair and frank in our assessment and judgment. It no matter who him be, if he might do something that is against the laws of the country, it's wrong. Watch this. So it says, cops claim entertainers funding criminal activities. It says the police yesterday painted a damning picture of some entertainers, saying they are using their money and influence to drive up crime figures in the country. Several entertainers are people who are misguided. They have come in possession of wealth, and instead of using the wealth to promote the good values, they use it to promote the wrong values, said Assistant Commissioner Ellen Powell, head of the Criminal Investigation Branch. It says a senior cop comments while addressing a forum at the Gleaner North Street offices in Kingston, come less than a week after dancehall artist Alkaline was ordered released from police custody by the court. The entertainer, whose given name is Erland Bartley, was locked up for 5 days after he turned himself in to investigators who are probing a murder case. His lawyer, Peter Champagny, went to court to seek his release, but the police objected. During the court proceedings, Superintendent Merveral Smith said Alkaline is believed to be involved in a murder. Yesterday, Powell, when asked why the police locked up the entertainer without being in a position to charge him, said the cops were being strategic. Interesting. The senior cop also said that the media has been giving too much attention to Alkaline in relation to his arrest, which could make him notorious.
The media is doing it, and the media should stop, because we are creating another Vybz Kartel out of him. I think we need to be careful what we promote, Powell said. In relation to Adino, it says life sentence. Vybz Kartel was sentenced to life in prison 2014 for the 2011 murder of Clive Blizzard Williams. Sometimes we unwittingly glorify people we shouldn't glorify, Powell said. We have had entertainers who have created mayhem in this country, and we glorify them and make them believe they are doing the right thing. What they are doing, in my view, is inimical to the development of the country, the senior lawman said. Powell said Vybz Kartel's conviction was a watershed moment, as his influence and had spread so far throughout the country, even in schools, that the nation nearly became a war zone. Interesting. Probably 5-6 years ago, almost every school had 2 gangs in Jamaica. If that was allowed to continue today, we would probably not have any schools. We would have all gangsters in the country. Luckily, with the arrest of a significant player, we have seen a significant reduction in school-based violence. I think this statement is very disingenuous. I will talk about it in a few. School-based violence in the country. These are events we should celebrate and mark as changes in the landscape, the CIB had said. The police had attributed many school conflicts to the Gaza Gully feud, which was tied to the 2 most popular DJs at the time, Vybz Kartel, who worked the Gaza side, and Mavado, who worked for the Gully. Powell said that with the Gully Gaza era behind the nation, entertainers should seek to stay away from criminality. I agree with that, however. What we want them to do is use their influence to change these values and to let people know that hard work is the virtue by which you will succeed, Powell said.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So, as you would have picked up from the article, peeps, Alkalines and Vybz Kartel names are very prominent in the article. You understand what I say? We know the situation with Vybz Kartel. That is not a secret. That is well documented. You understand what I say? He's now serving a 35 to life sentence for the murder of Clive Blizzard Williams. We know that recently Alkaline was arrested for 5 days in total. He was initially detained for questioning in relation to the murder of Rowan Ed Morris, who was killed on January 13, 2017 in the community of Marvally. You understand me? I say, however, he was released after his attorney made an application in the courts. See? And he was at charge. However, peeps, and watch me and listen me carefully and keenly now. You understand? And some man before you start type, some Mr. Mouse and Mr. Keyboard, you know, all on there. See? And I said in the intro for the video, we are at a stage in our country where we cannot condone, we cannot support no form of criminality, no form of lawlessness, no matter where it come from or who it come from. It is a well-known fact that 2 of the persons who are arming our young men and men in the society are our politicians and our artists. It's a fact and it need for stop. You understand? And some of them same politicians here come on TV or youths and youths to put down the gun, and some of them same artists are going to studio go voice, say a politician and give the youths them the gun and the youth them do this and do that. And we call people too and we're guilty. You understand me? I say, peeps, come on man. Make we call a speed a speed. Make we stop being naive and blinded by things, because I'm one of our artists and we're rating music we are condone slackness and foolishness. You see me? I say, you need to stop. So the chief investigator, Elon Powell, said that many artists are funding criminal activities. The man never said the man there a buy gun give man or the man there give man gun or anything. He's suggesting and claiming that this is happening. And as me I say, peeps, if we're going to be honest about it, we know say it happen. You understand what me I say? And we need for help curtail it. Why? Because the next victim could be you or it could be me. See? So the 2 grand follower of them, we're going to make nice now and run with and say this and say that. That's a phone of business. You understand? Because any video with me, do me think about it before me do it. And I know what some people are going to say. You see me I say, so we not really scare me peeps. You see me I say, we not scare like that. So hear me I say, man. See, we need to be careful of the message what we are sending. We need to be careful of what we are portraying that we stand for. It's a stage in our nation's development now what we need for wise up. And the artists them not learn. Them not learning. Cartel out to spend the rest of their life in a prison because of certain situations. Zane, we don't know what will happen with the appeal. And the man them shouldn't sit down and looking at themselves and say, here I go on, me I do this thing, I have to make some money for my family, myself, and my friends them if so be the case. The violence thing is unnecessary. The money you have to buy a gun for sure you say the man unnecessary. See, you see Sean Paul and Shaggy buy a gun give nobody and look what for them career there. You ever hear Sean Paul and Shaggy name calling them something there? Look what for them career there. At them there's something me I talk about. You understand what I say? Some of the artists them there in Jamaica are dead from because them can't fly because they don't have no visa car why? Foolishness. You understand what I say, peeps? And then we come and talk about this and that. And I'm telling one of the things we hate. People are going to say, yo, police are fight the artists and people bad mind the artists. And we know in our heart, in our mind, in our head, say them artists are perpetrate wrongs. See? You don't have to be caught if you do it, you know. If you do it, you do it. Nobody don't have to see if you know say yeah. Some of them are do it. For what? For people say them bad. And them have street cred. You understand? And them have shoes lock. And them can make man get dash way. And slap a man. And rub out man. Come on man. The nation don't need that. The country don't need that. The country need productive citizens. We are going to drive productivity and make the economic growth so the standard of living can increase and improve and we can prosper as a nation. And that the country want. You understand? The country want music where the youth them can listen and know say, yo, I just listen to the music but I not live the music. You understand? We want a nation where a man in a lyrical field we don't influence the fans them to take it beyond that. You understand? We have factions in our schools and our community. Man can't say him support this artist and man can't say him support the artist because man will do man things. I want to reach yes sir. I want to reach yes sir. And it will get worse and worse because some of the same artists them who are quick to defend and quick to say people are fight them and quick to say people are bad mind them are the foolishness in the country. And are we a part of the problem? Because the artist can only be as big as we make that artist be. And that me I say. You understand what I talk about? Someone just sit on the yard whole day upon social media. You understand? You say, do not life now and the artists them busy and make money for themselves and busy and be defenders for artists. What achieve out of it? Look into it. What achieve out of it? What them artists say I do for uno? Think about it no peeps. Someone we need for wise up man and someone we need for go it too. You see me the pan and we need to take a stance no matter who you be, no matter what your name, if it's illegal and if it stop. That me I talk about. So feel free if you give me the video the thumbs down or tell me anything. I regularly send me up on my mother. I don't have no issue with that. You understand? Because I don't tell you the moment you comment on my thing or you dislike my thing, it means you watch my thing and that's the aim. You understand? No matter what you do, we still are always there to teach them out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying until next time, walk good.